Here we are, event number 8, autocross, a little wet today. We're gonna wait on Brandon to help us with some filming and hang out with him and just kind of wait for everybody to run. I think we both run 3 and we both clean up. Got the Civic still loaded up. I'm not getting all my stuff rained on. Yeah, it doesn't take but 2 seconds to take everything out and then get in grid. So yeah, overall, gonna be a good day.
I just wear the same thing no matter what. The most prepared I was is I brought my boots. I was like, cool. See, I have another pair of socks and shoes. That's it. We're all in a... I'm gonna do like controlled breathing before I run, and then I'll like sit in the seat, like don't move, and then like just go, and I'm just locked in. Like I don't, whatever. I couldn't like. Everybody's different. I need like the 5 minutes. Like when I have passengers ride with me, like I can't have them talk. Like just chill. Like just
that does throw me off. Like when I focus on conversation,
sit in the car and chill out, and then like when you come back, talk to me all you want. When I'm done. But like when it's 5 out, like I'm driving out there.
Yeah, you get sidetracked with conversation, like not focusing on what you're about to do. Music's different.
Yeah, music is different. Oh, that's how it shifts.
No shot. Oh,
that's so
awesome.
cool.
Should I start it? 4 hours?
No, I don't think it is. Did you look at that belt though?
Yeah. Pretty. Monte Carlo? Yeah.
That's the best.
It is a damn.
And he got it. And he got it in leather.
Yeah, but yours has a horn button, so it makes it less cool than mine.
I wish mine had blind stitching.
Did you want my horn button?
No, that's alright. Oh, maybe I'll take it
For Monte Carlo.
Well, I'm not gonna put it in. I'm anti-hubcap or center caps and no horn button. Anti. There's rules against it, but Sim you can do it.
It's starting to dry up out here too.
I know, that's what
I'm sure the same things happen.
It's like,
there.
even the wet stuff here is pretty tacky.
Yeah, my pants are dried out.
Unpissed my pants. Okay, what's with all the 757, 747, 787 numbers? We got the fucking Boeing factory out here.
Boeing factory.
The Boeing factory.
Yeah, so we're driving in the rain today. It's actually kind of drying up, which is good.
Yeah, it's
because I needed everything I could get to beat Mark Hill. So,
I mean, this is
as long
dry.
as it doesn't rain anymore, we might be good. Might be able to get to top time of the day. I told myself I was just gonna come here and chill. We're just gonna drive easy.
He's never chill.
But yeah, if it dries up, we're going for top time of the day.
I think we'll quote unquote dial. I mean, look at the pavement.
What Trent is talking gibberish.
Yes. Yeah.
Trying to film a clip. He's talking Japanese. He's just getting ready for Japan trip.
That's right.
Stay tuned for that.
Silver is really
Japan, gonna hit some toe.
You can always get them repowder coated.
You have the season, just take it. You just need to cut part of the trophy off. We got a bandsaw in the shop, we can do it.
Oh, are we gonna start cutting trophies off now? Huh? Is my guy gonna cut his first place trophies in half and hand one half to Nathan?
There you go.
That motherfucker drove everyone's car except his
The sky's
own.
kind of cloudy today.
So, Mark Hill ran a 42.7, and hold on, that stuff might be really loud. But anyway, Mark ran a 42.7. He got a dry run at the very end. It's dry right now, but I think he's on fresh tires because he got new tires for Nats. And yeah, I'm on. My Bridgestones are rock hard. And
Those
it's also
Brickstones?
Yeah, they're Brickstones. And it's freezing right now, so they're rock hard. I think one of my tires was like 70 degrees, and yeah, we'll see if they heat up. But I'm like one of the last cars to run in the group, so that's good for me because hopefully all these other cars will dry out the course even more, and I'll be set. I don't know that we're getting top time. 42.7 is really fast. I just want to win XB. That's really all I'm here to do. So we'll see. We'll see. My attitude might change when I get behind the wheel, but we'll see what happens.
Keep an eye on. Almost swept with it, probably.
it's incredibly unpredictable out there. I'll turn this off because that's annoying. There is water everywhere. There's no way I'm catching up to like Mark's time or anything. It is wet out there. It's not dry anymore. Like you look at Jeremy out there plowing. That dude he went farming. Jeremy don't go farming very often. He plays second at nationals. It's wet. It's unpredictable. Spots on the track have tons of grip, and then other spots have zero grip. I was kind of sliding around all over. You guys will see in the in-car footage. I drove incredibly slow. Went a 49. I don't even know if that's fast enough in XB right now. So we're gonna see. I'll check live timing and update you guys.
A little bit wetter than my last.
Everyone out there on the far side, Carlson, the right.
Well, that sucks.
Julie,
Because I hit a cone and I'm in fourth
in
place.
XP class.
I hit a cone and I'm in fourth place in XP.
Alex will be in first,
So if I can't get any faster and clean,
and Alex
I might lose,
49.
which is no good.
Yeah, I think I got like a 55.4 or something on that. Picked up like 9 or lost 9/10. But yeah, it was dang near dry the first time I went through, and it started raining.
Pretty much just
We'll see what happens out there again because
much full
I need a fun time. I can't lose today. Absolutely not.
last.
So what did you get?
I had a 49.0, but I hit a cone.
Oh,
Heath at a 47.9.
You got to give it up a little bit there.
But he has 2 drivers. He's
And
cheating.
Carlson with a 49.7.
Yeah, word around the block is it's way better out there. I mean, it's already dry. Look at the ground.
Well, the guys that just came back in the red Miata, they said it's 100% different than it was just the last pass.
Because I'm trying to whoop him. I usually do, actually every single time. But I can't let the rain be a contributing factor to my loss. You can barely even see out the windshield. You were like over here one point.
I was like, well, at least we weren't off the track.
Oh yeah, no, we don't go off the track. Oh, we went way faster.
Hey,
45,
let's
6,
go.
I think. Or 40, yeah, 45, 6. We're looking for 44, so we'll get there. If it stays dry, like look at this, like there's actual grip. Yeah, we'll be a lot faster. Heath, he's quick and he's a way better driver than me. Somebody just ran a 44.4, so we know it's getting way faster. But yeah.
Cut over 3 seconds off my time from the previous one. It's definitely a little bit drier out here, and I'm kind of figuring out how I had to, drive out there. And overall, super happy with it. Obviously, I cut 3 seconds off, but I still think there's more time to be had out there. I just got to find out where. But yeah, the rain stopped, thank God, and yeah, we'll get him in the 4th, and then into the 5th. I think Blaine's been doing pretty good. He's had some ride-alongs this time, so we'll see how he does. I really haven't been paying attention to what times he's been getting, but doesn't seem to be too upset. So we'll
Yeah,
see.
he's doing good. He's running now.
Is he doing pretty good?
Yeah, he's out there somewhere. That's all.
Oh yeah. third run. We had a passenger, this kid right here. His name is Adrian. He went riding with us. Had a blast. Dude, we ran 44.2, which is still like a second and a half off Mark or something like that. Mark was so fast today. New tires. And the Evo, I think he turned it up. He didn't want to lose to me anymore. But yeah, 44.2. We still have 2 more runs, and there's still more time out there. But my front end alignment is horrible. I kind of need to throw some toe plates on it or just go get it aligned. But it's really bad. I'll be driving down this back road back here, and my steering wheel is like this. It's horrible. It's way worse than it was when Brandon and I went to go get some food, and it's bad. And it gets worse every run. So it's gonna need fixed soon. So I might jack it up and see, honestly. Yeah, it's moved quite a bit. I probably my alignment so bad.
Whose fault is that?
It's mine because I went off track and I spun out.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you run?
Just ran a
on his rerun, 42.2, making the best of it.
51.1, which is 7/10 faster than my last one. Overall, gradually got faster and faster throughout the day, except for number 2. Got a 55 on that one, but everyone after that got seconds faster on each one. And then the 7/10s between this last one, 5 and 4. So overall, I'm super happy with it. I'm not prepped for H Street at all, honestly. Still on a street tire. Don't really have anything done to the car. It's my daily, so I just come out here and have a little bit of fun trying to get better. I feel like I've gotten better over the last events that I've been coming to, which is mainly just this season and a few last season. But yeah, overall, great day. Glad it stopped raining. It dried up a little bit so we can actually get some good runs in. And yeah, I'm happy with all my results today, so yeah.